Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today's just a quick one. I have a little haul from my favourite things and they're released this month. Greg and Laura will be very pleased to hear I was quite restrained with their release this month, but I did get a couple of things. There were some neat little releases they had in their interactive dies, so I picked those up and I thought I would share them with you. So what did we get? Let's grab the things out of the box. So in this month's release, we have a new scene builder stamp set. Now, you know I'm all about the scenes, and I grabbed this one because I really like kind of the leaves, the trees in the background. It's a little bit kind of more realistic, I guess, than their normal style, but I like the fact that I can build these up. There's some clouds and things, no sentiments, but just kind of a basic scene builder to build up. And then this was the one I was talking about. This is their new Shuttered Eye. So this is a interactive die that goes inside of your cards. You make a gatefold card, and then this piece you put on either side of the gatefold inside your card. So as you open that gatefold, you have this kind of interlocking shutter like this, and then you have the piece and it kind of opens, so it reveals a piece inside. Imagine like the shutter of a camera. It kind of opens, and then you have two of them like this, and then this circular piece is what's inside. So I think that's kind of cool to have that interactive piece. So that is in their new release. They also have this new paper bag treat holder. Love little treat bags and all those kinds of things for Halloween, for Easter, for all of those fun things for class treats and end of years. They also had a new treat holder handle, which they didn't have in stock, but Hutson did, so I've ordered that from Ellen. And if you're a Channel Perks member, you can get 10% off at Hutson all month long. So you can also get all of this release from Hutson at 10% off, so it's well worth using that. I grabbed this storybook die from them. So this is 3 pieces that will fit inside of the shutter. And you can also get some of the replenishment. So the replenishments are an easy shaker idea. You can just take these, you stick them on, and then they have these 3 dipped pieces that you can either put images inside of, or you can pop sequins and things, and it's an easy shaker card. No foam or anything like that needed. Super, super easy shakers, and we all love easy. They also got this open window because you can then just open this and it works really well with that scene builder I was showing you earlier on. These are your window frames that you can pop in there. So there's another scene builder option. I also grabbed this one. I thought this would be fun for my girls. You've got the hashtag, and then you've got smile, sweet, and hello. So you've got hashtag smile, hashtag sweet, and hashtag hello on there. Just again, another really fun addition to a card, and I like the idea of having the hashtag die because I can add that to any sentiment and turn it into something fun and funky. This one is my freebie, so if you spend $60 over at My Favorite Things, you get a freebie one. This is a stitched Rickrack. I've got a couple of ideas for this one. And then this is a Polaroid type die. Again, it fits inside of the shutter idea, being like the camera, or you can do the Instagram style with the hashtags. Now there is a stamp set that they did with some animals together and things that fit perfectly in here. I didn't buy it, it didn't really fit with my style. Again, you may want it and add it to your collection. It wasn't for me. Again, we'll add all of those links in the video description. I'll link them up for you at My Favorite Things, and I'll link them up at Hutson because, as I mentioned, if you're a Channel Perks member, you can get 10% off at Hutson all month long. And that's well worth it if you're going to buy some of these releases and some of these larger dies. We also have some stores that do free shipping, some that have got $5 off. We have British stores there too. We're working on adding more British stores and some Australian stores for you too. So we're trying to add more in. You get a birthday card from the Prickle. You get exclusive behind the scenes content, early access to content, so many fun things, and it also helps support us here at Hedgehog Hollow. So thank you to all of our wonderful Channel Perks members, and we hope you want to become a Channel Perks member too. It really will save you so much money on your crafting purchases. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of our daily videos, and hit that join button too. It really is worthwhile. And if you don't see a join button, because we know it's not on every device, there's a link in the video description where you'll find your supply list too. If you enjoyed today's haul, give us a thumbs up. I will see you again tomorrow, maybe with a trick, a tutorial, a 2-minute tip, loads of fun things. If you have a request for a video, drop them in the comments below, and I'd love to know what your favorite thing was from today's My Favorite Things release. Drop me a comment below. I'd love to know, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.